Hey gang, Josh here, and I have another tutorial video. One of the things I've been testing is the champ abilities, and I've been using a lot of champ respecs. They're only 1 platinum from the quartermaster merchants inside the King's Throne Room. So, I mean, if you want to respec your champ abilities and try this stuff out, it can be fun. It can also give you an edge depending on how you like to play your character. As you can see right now, I'm just simply defending against a Huskarl PvE RVR Realm Guard that cons red to me. The reason I selected the Tower Guards is a lot of times they're equipped with both a sword and a shield. The Stalker Trainer in Magmel comes with some melee styles. The Guardian Trainer also has them, but I'm not sure which ones the Guardian Trainer has because I'm a base class of Guardian because my character is a hero. These ones only cost 1 champion point each. They are level 1 abilities. And I really enjoy these, particularly because most of your melee styles with melee classes are reactionary when you defend. All abilities have different penalties and bonuses and require different amounts of endurance. To give you an example, one of my master level abilities is Power Leak. It uses very high endurance. It goes with a very low damage bonus. It does get a high bonus to hit the enemy player, but it also gives you a high penalty when defending against their next attack. Okay, on the reverse side of that coin, Horizon Blade, which is a reactionary when I block, provides a low bonus to my defense. So even if I don't hit the follow-up, which I don't have the follow-up attached to it because I don't have the follow-up attached to it because I use my shield for stunning. Okay, so the 2 abilities. The first one is Recoil. Notice, you can use any weapon for champion abilities, at least from the Stalker skill lines. The weapon you have, you can be a caster with a staff, and you can't even spec staves normally, and you can use these abilities. Okay, Recoil, the opening is your target parries. So even though you might have a shield and you might have weapon parry, these are actually used when the enemy tries to defend. And they also use low endurance. They don't get a very high damage bonus, but notice they get a very high hit bonus. And there are 2 of them. Recoil, which is when the target parries. Backfire is when the target blocks. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can test those and see how often they hit, because I've had pretty good results so far. Like I said, they don't do a lot of damage, but they're a lot of fun. Yeah, see, it only hit for 68 damage. My normal melee attack is 47, so it doesn't get much of a bonus on... That was Backfire. This is Recoil. Oh, blocked it. Alright, let's try again. There we go. Okay, 63. And then my normal attack of 53. So they get a very small bonus. Very similar in damage. Like I said, they're a lot of fun because they do tend to hit very often. So that's 2 out of 3 with Recoil. Three out of 4. 3 out of 5, 4 out of 6. Okay, 1 out of 3 so far on 5 out of 7. Backfire's 1 for 3. 6 out of 8 on Recoil. 2 for 4 on Backfire. I lost count now. But as you can see, they do work. They are fairly effective. I have a lot of fun using them, so if it's something you're interested in trying out, I just wanted to put this video out there and so you can see it in action. And as always, if you have any questions, find me in game. Cindy Lennox is my character. She is a hero. It's the only character I play. And you'll see me around the New Frontiers. I run quests and everything. Take care and have fun, guys.